In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect when adding the central pivot range to your charts, so you can move from setup to analysis with confidence. First, open the full chart of the stock you want to find the CPR for. Make sure you're on the expanded chart view, not a mini or embedded preview. The full chart gives you access to the complete toolbar along the top, where all the indicator controls live. Pick the symbol you're analyzing and load the chart so it fills the screen. This ensures that once the CPR is added, you'll see the levels drawn clearly across your price action. Next, head to the top of the chart and click on Indicators. This is the main gateway to TradingView's built-in tools and the community's vast library of custom scripts. If you're new to this panel, think of it as a searchable directory where you can quickly pull up specific studies by name. In the search field, type CPR. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, a widely used tool that helps traders identify potential intraday support and resistance, as well as the market's bias for the session. Typically, CPR will draw three central lines: the pivot line in the middle, plus a top central pivot, and a bottom central pivot. When price stays above the range, it's often seen as bullish. Below it can imply bearishness. And when price interacts with the band, it can highlight key decision zones. You'll see options for CPR in the user-created indicators section. TradingView's community has built many variations. Some focus on daily CPR, others on weekly or monthly. Some add labels, bands, or color coding. Take a moment to read the short titles or descriptions to find one that matches your style. Keep in mind that these are community scripts, so different versions may calculate or display slightly differently. Select the CPR indicator you want, and it will appear on your selected chart right away. You should see the central band plotted across your candles. Depending on your time frame and the script settings, the lines might span the current session or extend across multiple sessions. If the lines appear faint or thin, that's typically just how the script is styled by default. And that's all. You've located CPR in TradingView, searched for it, chosen a suitable community version, and added it to your chart. From here, you can observe how price interacts with the range and use that context in your trading plan. As always, understand the logic behind CPR and consider testing it on past data to build confidence. Thanks for watching and happy charting.